As the Champions Trophy unfolds in UAE and Pakistan this week, it coincides with the 40th anniversary of another unexpected triumph by the Indian cricket team down under in the Benson and Hedges World Championships of Cricket. 2 years earlier at Lord's, India turned the cricket world upside down when they won the Prudential World Cup by unseating the kings of world cricket, the West Indies. As world champions, India's form in one-dayers was pretty ordinary. The Indians suffered a 3-0 series defeat against Australia. The West Indies had their revenge as they trashed India 5-0 in the one-day series in the 1983-84 tour. The crushing defeat against West Indies was followed by 4-1 defeat to England. Pakistan beat India at home. In the intermittent period, India had won the Asia Cup in Sharjah, but the country's one-day form and test form was nothing to write home about. The Benson and Hedges World Championships of Cricket was announced as part of celebrations commemorating the 150th anniversary of European settlement in the Australian state of Victoria. All the 7 test-playing nations participated in the tournament and the matches were played at the Melbourne Cricket Ground and Sydney Cricket Ground. The MCG hosted day-night matches for the first time. West Indies were the bookmakers' favourite, followed by Australia. However, the bookmakers were proved wrong as rank outsiders India performed incredibly to win the tournament. The Indians didn't lose a single match and defeated Pakistan in the final. Ravi Shastri was named as the player of the tournament and he got an Audi car for his efforts. Krishnamachari Srikanth was a revelation in the tournament. His aggressive batting style, hitting over the infield when the field was up, was ahead of the times and Srikanth amassed 238 runs. The Indian spinners Ravi Shastri and Laxman Sivaramakrishnan excelled in conditions which suited spin and had the rival batters in a tangle. Fast bowlers, Kapil Dev and Roger Binny gave their side early breakthroughs and the spinners strangulated the scoring in the middle overs. The out cricket from the Indians were pretty good as India bowled out all the opponents till the semi-final stage. Sunil Gavaskar led the side astutely. India was grouped in Group A along with hosts Australia, England, Pakistan. Australia beat England comfortably in the tournament opener and India met arch-rivals Pakistan in their first match. India restricted Pakistan to 183 with Roger Binny finishing with 4 wickets. Imran Khan in a fiery spell reduced India to 27 for 3. But Mohammad Azharuddin 93 and Sunil Gavaskar 54 added 132 runs for the 4th wicket, which enabled India to beat Pakistan by 6 wickets. India's next opponents were England and Srikanth gave India a rollicking start by smashing a quickfire 57. India lost their way after being comfortably placed at 183 for 3 and ended up scoring only 235 for 9 in 50 overs. England were in the contest but collapsed from 94 for 1 to 149 all out. Indian spinners Ravi Shastri and Laxman Sivaramakrishnan took 3 wickets each to hasten the win. Pakistan upset hosts Australia and England to open up the group. Both India and Australia needed a win in their last match to ensure a place in the semi-finals. Put in, Australia collapsed to 37 for 5 as both Binny and Kapil Dev ran through the top order. Wayne Phillips top scored with 60 but Australia ended up with a below par 163. Srikanth, 93 not out, and Ravi Shastri, 51, added 124 for the first wicket and India won comfortably by 8 wickets. India met New Zealand in the semi-finals. New Zealand lost John Wright in the first over and slipped to 69 for 4 before recovering to 206 through lower order rally. India was in a spot of bother after losing the well-settled Shastri for 54. The required run rate was climbing but Kapil Dev came in and smashed the New Zealand all over the park. Kapil's aggression rubbed on to Vengsarkar, who shrugged off his subdued approach, and the duo flayed the attack to add 104 runs in quick time and India won with 6 overs to spare. Pakistan continued their giant-killing act by toppling favourite West Indies in the semi-finals. An India-Pakistan final was a spoiler for the local cricket fans who had predicted a West Indies-Australia final. Pakistan captain Javed Miandad won the toss and elected to bat and he soon regretted the decision. The Indian medium paces exploited the conditions to reduce Pakistan to 33 for 4. Imran Khan and Miandad added 68 runs for the 5th wicket but Pakistan slipped to 145 for 9. Wasim Raja and Azim added 31 runs but a total of 176 was not going to challenge the in-form Indian batting. Shastri and Srikanth saw off Imran Khan's opening spell and added 102 for the first wicket. India's victory was never in doubt. Shastri remained unbeaten on 63 and won by 8 wickets. Shastri was chosen as champion of champions for his all-round show and presented an Audi car. The enduring image of the tournament was the victory lap of the Indian team on the car.